how to measure for your new IKEA worktops. At IKEA, we offer worktops in a large range of materials, styles and colors. Accurate measurements are important for customers choosing to refresh their existing kitchen with new custom-made worktops. To take your own measurements of your existing worktops, we suggest you follow these steps. First, you can download the IKEA measurement guide from your local IKEA webpage. Next, get ready to measure your space by ensuring you have the proper tools handy. These tools include paper, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and measuring tape or laser measuring tool. You can also use an angle measuring tool to confirm whether or not your kitchen corners are at 90 degrees. Always record your measurements in millimeters. We recommend starting from one corner and working your way around the room. Every kitchen can be different, so be sure to use the steps in this video to take measurements that work for your space. Start by measuring your worktop from one corner all the way to the opposite end. Do the same for all sides and the front. Next, measure from the corner of the worktop to the center of the base cabinet where your sink is located. Then, from the corner of your worktop to the center of your hob. Also, take the measurements of the width of sink cabinet and hob cabinet. Next, measure the depth of your worktops and be sure to mark the thickness of the tiles. Start from the back and measure out. Make a front view drawing of your kitchen and note the measurement of the thickness of your worktop. If you plan to replace your wall panel, also take measurements from the top of the worktop to the bottom of your upper cabinets. If you have a kitchen island, now is the time to note the length and width and if there are any cutouts required. After you've taken your measurements, the next step is planning for your new IKEA worktop. We recommend booking a custom-made worktop appointment with a kitchen specialist, which can be completed in-store or from the comfort of your home. If you plan to keep your existing sink and hob with your new worktops, we recommend bringing along the installation guide and appliance specifications to your local IKEA store. There, a kitchen coworker will be able to document measurements for the cutouts for your new custom-made worktops. You can order and purchase your custom-made worktop remotely or in-store with the help of a coworker. For more information and documentation on templating and installation services available in your area, visit the IKEA website or your local store or planning studio. We look forward to working with you to make your dream kitchen a reality.